Yesterday, the world of precious metals didn't just shake, shattered. In a single, heart-stopping trading session, silver prices plunged over 30%. This was the single worst day for the shiny white metal since 1980. Gold didn't escape the carnage either, suffering its steepest drop in over 40 years. For a moment, it looked like the safe havens were on fire, leaving millions of retail investors watching their portfolios bleed out in real time. But here's the part Wall Street isn't telling you. This wasn't a random accident. The spark that lit this fuse was a single name, Kevin Warsh. When news broke that he was the pick to lead the Federal Reserve, the markets did a complete 180-degree turn. Investors had been piling into metals, betting that the Fed would lose its independence and let inflation run wild. But Warsh is a known inflation hawk. His arrival signals that the Fed might actually fight back to save the dollar. You see, the big banks and the smart money were already waiting for a reason to sell. They had watched silver more than double in a year, and they were sitting on massive profits. While you were being told to buy the dip, they were setting the trap. Soon as the Warsh news hit, they hit the sell button. This triggered a waterfall of margin calls, forcing smaller investors to sell at the worst possible prices just to stay alive. But wait, there's a secret hidden inside this chaos. While the paper price of silver on a screen dropped 30%, the physical metal in the real world is still in a massive shortage. Factories need silver for solar panels and electronics, and those vaults are nearly empty. Wall Street just gave you a fake price drop based on fear, not on the actual supply of the metal. At Stewardship Finance Academy, we call this a transfer of wealth moment. The wise investor doesn't panic when the herd runs for the exit. They look for the door everyone is ignoring. The massive crash has wiped out the gamblers, but the industrial need for silver hasn't changed. This creates a rare window where the paper price is disconnected from the real-world value. Your opportunity isn't in following the panic, it's in understanding who really controls the supply. Are you holding a real asset or just a piece of paper that Wall Street can devalue in an afternoon? The answer to that question will determine your financial future over the next decade. To find out what we're doing about it, follow or subscribe to this channel now.